Due to the population of cities and the use of space, the construction of skyscrapers has increased significantly in recent decades. Currently, the construction of several large skyscrapers is underway, such as the Jeddah Tower or the Dubai Creek Tower. The essence of skyscrapers is to provide offices and shopping malls at the junction of the city center, in a place where they are needed and not scattered in different parts of the city. In today's video, we're going to look at the 10 highest skyscrapers in 2022. Number 10. China Zone. The Jeddah Tower, also known as China Zone, is a super tall skyscraper in Beijing's central business district. The 109-story, 528-meter tall building is the tallest building in the city and is likely to remain so because the height of the tower's construction in Beijing has been limited to 180 meters. China Zone Tower is a mixed-use building with 60 floors of office space, 20 floors of luxury apartments and 20 floors of hotels with 300 rooms. On the top floor there will be a roof garden at a height of 524 meters. The building has a total of 7 office spaces. It is currently the 10th tallest tower in the world. Number 9. Tianjin CTF Finance Center. The Tianjin CTF Finance Center is an extremely tall skyscraper in Tianjin, China. Construction began in 2013 and was completed in 2019. The tower is the second tallest building in Tianjin after Golden Finance 117, the 9th tallest building in the world. The height of the tower is 530 meters. By stacking the reducing floor tiles, the tower is dramatically thinned to minimize the surface area exposed to wind, sun and moisture. The aerodynamic shape of the building greatly reduces this vortex release by confusing the wind and disrupting the possibility of resonant wind forces and loads on the structure. As the name implies, it is a financial center. Number 8. Guangzhou CTF Finance Center. The Guangzhou Chow Food Finance Center, also known as the East Tower, is a 530-meter-high mixed-use skyscraper in Guangzhou, Guangdong, completed in October 2016. It is the tallest completed building in Guangzhou, the third, the tallest in China, and the 9th tallest in the world. Guangzhou CTF Finance Center has a total of 111 above-ground and 5 underground floors and is home to a shopping mall, offices, apartments and a hotel. The gross floor area of the skyscraper is 507,681.0 square meters, of which just over 20% is not part of the skyscraper itself, but of the podium associated with it. As it is in the name of the tower, it is also a financial center. Number 7. One World Trade Center. The One World Trade Center is the main building of the rebuilt World Trade Center complex in Lower Manhattan, New York. 1 WTC is the tallest building in the United States and the 7th tallest building in the world. The One World Trade Center became New York's tallest building on April 30, 2012, when it exceeded the height of the Empire. The height of the tower is 541 meters. The construction of the new building is part of an effort to create and rebuild a monument after the demolition of the original World Trade Center complex. Number 6. Lotte World Tower. Lotte World Tower is a 555.7-meter high, 123-story skyscraper located in the Songpa district of Seoul, South Korea. It opened to the public on April 3, 2017 and is currently the tallest building in South Korea. Its height is 554 meters. The tower was designed for 13 years after the site was prepared and construction began in 2010. In 2016, 2 Russian and Ukrainian city researchers climbed illegally through the stairs to the Lotte World Tower under construction, and then Vitaly Raskolov climbed freely on the cranes at the top of the tower. The video has been viewed more than 3 million times. The tower has offices, hotels and apartments. Number 5. Ping An International Finance Center. Ping An Finance Center is a 115-story, 599-meter super-tall skyscraper in Shenzhen, Guangdong, China. The building was designed by Kohn Pedersen Fox Associates, an American architectural firm, on behalf of Ping An Insurance. Completed in 2017, it became the tallest building in Shenzhen, the second tallest building in China. At the same time, it broke the record that the tallest lookout point in a building was 562 meters. The building is located in the central business district of Shenzhen, Fujian. Ping An Group bought 18,931 square meters of land at auction for 1.6568 billion Chinese yuan on November 6, 2007. Its foundation stone was laid on August 29, 2009, and construction began in November of that year. China Construction First Building Group has hired a general contractor to build the building. Number 4. Abraj Al-Bait. Abraj Al-Bait is a government-owned complex of 7 skyscraper hotels in Mecca, Saudi Arabia. These towers are part of King Abdulaziz's donation project to modernize the city to provide pilgrimage. The Central Hotel Tower, the Mecca Clock Royal Tower, has the world's largest clock face and is the world's tallest clock tower. The tallest tower in the complex is the tallest building in Saudi Arabia, 601 meters high. Currently, it is the world's 5th tallest freestanding structure, surpassing Ping An Financial Center in Shenzhen, China, but shorter than Dubai's Burj Khalifa, Tokyo Skytree in Tokyo, Japan, Shanghai Tower, and Guangzhou Tower in Guangzhou, China. Number 3. Shanghai Tower. The Shanghai Tower is a mega-tall skyscraper in Shanghai. It is the 3rd tallest building in the world from a height to an architectural peak and shares the record of having the tallest lookout point in the world. This building has the fastest elevator in the world. It was designed by the international design company Gensler and is owned by the Shanghai municipality. Designed for high energy efficiency, its multi-story design provides 9 separate zones for office, retail and leisure use. Construction work on the tower began in November 2008 and was completed on August 3, 2013. The lookout was open to visitors in July 2016, and the period from July to September 2018 was called the test run or commissioning period. The 118th floor sightseeing terrace has been open since April 26, 2017. Number 2. Merdeka 118. Merdeka 118 is a 118-story, 678.9-meter megawatt skyscraper currently under construction in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. The name of the building, Merdeka, which means independence, was inspired by the proximity of 2 stadiums, Stadium Merdeka and Stadium Negara. The tower of the building was completed in November 2021. The building is expected to be completed by the end of 2022 and will be the tallest building in Malaysia and Southeast Asia. It will surpass the 632-meter-high Shanghai Tower as the 2nd tallest building and structure in the world, and it will receive the title thanks to its 160-meter-high tower. The building is also the first in Malaysia to receive triple platinum certification from worldwide sustainability certifications, including leadership in energy and environmental design certification. Number 1. Burj Khalifa. And we arrived at the current tallest building in the world, the Burj Khalifa, located in Dubai. The tower is 828 meters high and contains apartments, offices, hotels and much more. This tower is the tallest since 2010. It has 163 floors, which can be reached by a super-fast lift. The building has several balconies with views across Dubai. The tower is accessible via the Dubai Metro Red Line, Burj Khalifa, Dubai Mall Station. This tower is one of the main destinations for tourists in Dubai. The tallest building in the world is expected to remain until 2025.